Kamusta mga kababayan? Sa video natin today, i-unbox natin ang 15-year shoes, isa sa mga pinaka-comfortable at quality shoes na perfect for everyday use, work at kahit panlakad dito sa Canada or USA. At kung gusto ninyong mag-order ng ganitong quality and comfortable shoes, whether nasa Canada or USA kayo, visit lang www.15years.com and use our promo code SOC15 for your exclusive 20% discount.
Woo!
Alright, let's go. Unbox na natin. Ito packaging pa lang, first impression ko, una mapapansin natin, it comes with this beautiful shopping bag. Meron siyang printed na, pampagod vibes na nagsasabi, get up, let's go. And dito sa kabila, ayan today is the best day of your life. Ang ganda agad ng dating, di ba? Positive vibes pa lang. Panalo ka na. At sa loob nito, itong shopping bag na ito, ay may paper bag din. So, from the packaging pa lang, masasabi mo na quality talaga. Ayan, The color is gold and shiny. Very premium tingnan. Talagang mapapaisip ka na special ang nasa loob. And what I really love about this is my words of encouragement pa sa packaging. Like, ayan, same thing, get up, let's go, and worn by people who built this world. Ayun, So, honestly, packaging pa lang, parang ayaw mo nang itapon because it feels premium and inspiring. So, for keeps talaga to. Ayan. And, eto na, yung box. Alrighty. So, ayan, let's talk about the box itself. Grabe, premium quality talaga ang box. Solid. Sa sides, may mga motivational din na reminders pa. Like, ito. Choose respect. No gossiping. Ayan. Work hard. Go the extra mile. Dream big. Shoot for the stars. And, of course, trust God. Fear nothing. I love that they added motivational and spiritual messages. Parang hindi lang shoes ang binili mo, may inspiration ka pang kasama. Sulit ka kagad kahit sa lalagyan pa lang, di ba? Ayan. Makikita mo na. At ngayon, buksan naman natin. Ito, para makita natin yung sapatos mismo. Moment of truth na ito. So, pagbukas mo, ito na siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ang tawag dito is Model 3, dark brown for men. Ayan Ganda ng kulay, di ba? This is Men's Comfort Limited Dark Brown Sneakers. Ayan So, perfect siya for everyday use, pang work, pang lakad, and even for light running. What makes it stand out is the high quality cushion inside. Ayan Ayun. Sa midsole. So, sobrang comfortable. Ayan, Kita nyo dito. At, let's check the quality. The upper part is made, sabi nila, this is made with jacquard mesh with printed overlay. So, breathable ito. Ayan, Yung makikita ko dito sa loob So, midsole is EVA foam, which means lightweight. Siya ang may excellent na cushioning. Then the outsole is TPR ang tawag dito. TPR rubber, so durable talaga with very good grip. Ayan, gawa nitong mga pang grip yan So perfect ito sa daily use, lalo na sa long walks. So, ayan. And inside, meron siyang Ortholite. Ayan Ortholite insole ito. Ayan. Ortholite insole. So, antibacteria, odor control, moisture wicking, anti-sweat, at removable yun yung insole na yun. May heel cap support dun sa loob, and then medium arch support din. So, breathable, soft feel. So, talagang comfort plus. Ayan, Perfect especially for our hardworking na mga kababayan na buong araw na nakatayo or naglalakad. So, that's it mga kababayan, yung ating sapatos na to. Ayan. So, overall, sobrang premium niya from the packaging hanggang sa shoe quality itself. Hindi lang stylish, comfortable, and functional talaga. So, if you want to order yours, again, visit www.15years.com and don't forget to use our promo code SOC15 for your 20% off. So, salamat sa inyo mga kababayan, and I'll see you on our next unboxing. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, more videos to come. I will see you, God willing, on my next video. Samahan nawa kayong parating ng Panginoon sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.